After 500 brewing cycles, the Descale indicator flashes 5 times. The LED blinks alternately for 5 cycles before returning to steady light. 3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Pour the solution into the water tank. Place a 600 milliliters cup on the drip tray. Press and hold the double cup button and the steam button simultaneously for more than 3 seconds until icons cycle flash, initiating automatic descaling. Hot water flows out from the brewing head. When the program is completed, pour out the scale remover solution and clean the water tank. Then refill with fresh water. And run double cup brewing operations 3 times to complete flushing.